You know that feeling when you're ready to buy something online, maybe a weekend course or a concert ticket or a fitness class, and you're halfway through and you just quit. The pages take forever to load, the forms asks you blood group and everything, and you're like, forget it. I'll maybe do this later. Now, the flip situation. What if your customers are feeling the exact same frustration on your website or app right now? That's where a customer journey map comes into the picture. It's like holding up a mirror that shows exactly what your customers go through. Every click, every thought, and every emotion. After you've felt oh no moment, let's now see how you can fix it and turn every customer struggle into a smooth experience. Today, we are diving into something that can completely change the way you understand your customers. And that's customer journey mapping. Because here's the truth. People don't leave your website because they don't like your product. They leave your website because the journey feels confusing, slow, or just built not for them. A customer journey map helps you visualize every step your customer takes, what they see, what they feel, and what they think. So you can make that journey smoother, faster, and honestly, more human. After you've got that idea, let's quickly see what we will cover in this video. We will start with what a customer journey map actually is and why every business needs one. Then we will go through the 4 stages of a customer journey map. So the 4 stages will be awareness, consideration, decision, and delight. We can also consider real-time example for having a better learning experience. Then we will see how to prepare your goal, theme, and persona. After that, how to actually create your map, step by step, use free tools, and finally, how to analyze, refine, and use it to make your customers happier. Stick around till the end because by the time we are done, you'll be ready to turn confused customers into loyal repeat fans. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Before we quickly dive in, here's a quick quiz for you. Which tool can you use to create a free customer persona? Your options are Canva, HubSpot Persona Generator, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Photoshop. Please leave us your answers in the comment section below and let us see how many of you got this right. Before we commence, if you are serious about advancing your career in digital marketing, the professional certification in digital marketing by SP Jain School of Global Management and Simplilearn is your gateway to success. Ranked top 7 in AP/AC by Bloomberg Business Week, SP Jain offers an 8-month live online program where you will master 30 plus skills to 100 plus sessions, work hands-on with 35 plus tools like Google Ads, HubSpot, and Meta Business Suite to gain access to Meta's expert sessions with a free $99 exam voucher. You'll also explore how generative AI transforms marketing workflows and strategy while applying your learning through 20 plus real-world projects and 10 plus case studies on global brands. With Simplilearn's Job Assist Plus for profile optimization, mock interviews, and career guidance, this program gives you both expertise and employability. Find the course link in the description box below and in the pinned comments. So let's get started with the basics. What exactly is a customer journey map? A customer journey map is a visual story of how your customer experiences your brand, step by step. It shows what they do, what they think, and how they feel across different stages, like discovering your brand, researching, buying, and even what happens after. So why is it so powerful? Because it helps you see your businesses through your customers' eyes. When you're inside the company, it's easy to assume everything works fine. But from the customer's side, small issues like unclear pricing or too many form fields can completely kill the experience. A journey map can help you in many ways, like uncovering blind spots, aligning your marketing, sales, and support teams, and build smoother, more emotional connections with your customers. Alright, after that you have understood what and why, let's move on to the 4 stages of customer journey with a fun example. Let's take a simple and relatable example. Imagine you're running a kid's soccer camp. We'll follow a parent. Let's say we call her busy parent Priya and she goes through each stage. Now the stage 1, awareness. Meet Rohan, a 28-year-old data analyst who wants to move into AI. One evening, he thinks, if I don't learn this now, I'll be left behind. So he searches online, best online courses for AI. He watches a few YouTube explainers, scrolled LinkedIn posts, and clicks on Instagram ads, etc. That's the awareness stage, the top of your funnel, where people realize a need but haven't chosen a solution yet. From a marketing view, this is where SEO, Google Ads, and social content do the heavy lifting. Use HubSpot's free persona generator to build ambitious Rohan. Now, the goals: upskill, boost career, frustrations, too many options, unclear outcomes, channels like Google search, YouTube, LinkedIn, keywords like AI certification, data science career switch, etc., and many more. Your aim here isn't to sell, it's to be visible, educate, and earn trust so Rohan remembers your brand when he moves to the next stage, which is consideration. So after you've understood this, let's move to the next stage. So the next stage is obviously consideration. Now, Rohan starts comparing options. He checks courses, websites, reads student reviews, watches YouTube testimonials, and even asks questions on LinkedIn, which AI course is actually worth it. This stage is packed with touch points, landing pages, frequently asked questions, review sites, and email replies. Now, free tool. Open Miro or FigJam and use free journey map template. Add quick sticky notes like read alumni reviews, feel motivated, and sees vague syllabuses, feel unsure, can't find job placement info, gets frustrated, color code emotions to spot where trust is building versus where friction appears. After this, Rohan moves to the next phase, which is decision making. Now, in this stage, we will discuss the following. Now, Rohan is ready to enroll, but only if the process is smooth. If the pricing isn't clear or the payment form looks complicated, he'll definitely bounce out. Now, you can use a free tool here. You can use Lucidchart or Expedia to map the flow. So the flow can be landing page to select course, from there to fill the form, then to payment, and then the last one is confirmation. Now, mark the pain points and quick fixes. So the pain points can be hidden price, show upfront, next to enroll now. Too many form fields, ask essentials only. No human help, add live chat or WhatsApp support. A clear, fast, mobile-friendly checkout can make or break the final click. Now comes the stage 4. Delight once. Rohan enrolls. Your job isn't over yet. It's just starting. Send a welcome email with course access details, a mentor introduction, and next steps checklist. A few days later, share a quick learning tip or invite him to a student community. After completion, send a certificate plus career resources to keep him engaged. Now you can use a free tool here. Use Miro or FigJam to create a delight lane and brainstorm ideas. You can also include welcome email, weekly motivation messages, progress dashboard, referral rewards, and many more. That's how you turn a one-time learner into a brand advocate. Now, let's move to the next topic. How to create your customer journey map. Alright, let's build your first map step by step. Your first step, define your goal. What do you want to improve? For example, reduce course sign-up drop-offs by 25%. Now the step 2, create your own persona. You can use HubSpot's free persona generator to build ambitious analyst Rohan, add his goals and frustrations. Now comes the stage 3. List the stages: awareness, consideration, decision, and delight. And after that, you have the step 4. You can add touch points and emotions. For example, watches YouTube review, curious reads, pricing page, confused and get certificate, and lastly, proud. Now you have the 5th step. Mark pain points and opportunities. You can highlight reds, casually called as frictions, and greens. You can also mention it as delights to see what needs fixing first. Then comes 6th step, where you visualize and share. Arrange everything in Miro, FigJam, or Lucidchart. Add emojis and icons. Export them as PDF to share with your team. Finally, keep it alive. Update your map after campaigns or feedback sessions. It's a living document, not a one-time task. And that's it. You've just built a real data-driven customer journey map for Rohan and every customer like him. Analysis and iteration. Once your map is live, don't let it collect dust. Check your analytics weekly. Are people dropping off mid the form? Are they spending too much time on the page? Are they satisfied after purchase? Run quick experiments. Move pricing up. Simplify the sign up form. Add a chatbot or auto reply for FAQs. Measure again. Small tweaks like this can make a huge difference in customer satisfaction. Let's also discuss some best practices as well. Use real customer data, not assumptions. Update the map regularly. Make it a team habit. Review it monthly. Now let's also discuss some of the common mistakes. Mapping your internal process instead of the customer's process. Creating a beautiful map that no one uses. And one of the most important and last mistakes to avoid, trying to map everything at once. You can start small. So there you go. You know now how exactly to create a customer journey map, from understanding your customer's emotions to actually building and improving the map using free tools. Start small. Pick one product, one persona, and one journey. You'll be surprised how quickly it clears up confusion and boosts conversions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more from Simplilearn.